Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. I want to work in my... Hey, there's a little dot on here. Well, I'm gonna leave it. Sorry. I see a dot and immediately I'm distracted. I don't know how it got on here, but it's on here. So I want to work in this journal again, my Art by Marlene Rainbow Journal. And I'm still working in the orange one. I need to put something on top of this. Okay, well anyway. I'm easily distracted today. I've got loads of these. Always have stencils on hand. These I have been fussy cutting in when I was on holiday. And I am just going to get a face and maybe a body or maybe some plants. What's this? Okay, it's just creepy. Okay, and there's some quotes in here. What does this say? Revive? Huh? Oh. Because. I thought it would. Because. Well, some more of these things. There must be a believe. Okay. Maybe I can use a quote. This as a quote. What would it be called? You know what? That's a bit too much on my desk now. I do like this. Okay. With a quote. One of these. And then these are, I can use as a body or an edge or something. Okay, this one is gonna go. I've got stuff from that one. This one has heads in it. I can use this one. It goes well with it. This one is weird. It's like a, nah, it's too big. This one is very unique. Does it say unique? Uniquer? I don't know. Or just a cutie like this. I do like this one. It's very unique. Or I've got a dog. Pink. Oh, that's a little one. You know what? This one. That's scissors. I think I like. I can have this one peeping out somewhere. I think I like uniquer. It does say uniquer. Is that even a word? Isn't it more unique? In Dutch we would say uniquer. True. So it's Dutch. I like that one better. Okay. I still have this one. So what do I do when I have this? I just do this just because. Then I'll have a page that says whatever and another page that says because. Oh, okay. I like it. So this one can go back in. Where did I have this one? Well, I'll figure that out later. Do I even need a stencil for this? I mean, this is kind of busy already. So I am going to do a smaller... no, what do I want to say? Sorry, distracted again. I thought maybe I can make a neck out of this. Or I can just glue this on without a neck. Decisions, guys, decisions. Oh, it really doesn't matter, does it? I really like these colors, so I'm just gonna cut off a little bit. Make it a bit smaller. Make it a bit like this. Do I like this? No, I think this just needs to be a floating head. Okay, well, I cut this up for nothing. It's a floating head, because, you know, why not a floating head? So how do I make a background that's not too much with this? I probably don't. I have this paper still over here, so again, I hope it still sticks. Because I used it with sprays. Okay, my hands are golden again. Okay, I like that. I love golden hands. I think I might just have this one peeping out somewhere. Okay, so what background do I make? I had my paints ready. I can make it green, but I already had green over here. Or I can make it pink. Okay, so now I have rose quartz. I have peony. Oh, I never know how to pronounce this. Peony. Peony. I don't know. I really don't know. Peony in Dutch. Okay. This is almost the same color. I'm gonna start with a light one. And let's clean this a little. That's not clean. I want to see if I can make some stripes. Can I do that? Light stripes. This is what I want. So I used way too much paint because this is enough. Ugh. It's gonna be too busy, isn't it? Okay, I actually really like it. Not sure if I'm gonna do lots more color in here. What do I do? This is too dark, isn't it? Probably is, so let's do it anyway. I maybe can mix it up a little bit with... I never used it before. So there's this still on here. Okay, let's put this one over here. No. Over here. Take this off and let's clean it over here. My gosh, guys, look at my hands. Oh boy. Well, I would look very artistic today. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna close this so it'll dry and I have to tear it open. I like that. Oh my gosh, I've got paint everywhere. Okay. So I just need a little bit. Like that. And I want to mix it with this. If that's gonna work. I'm not sure. Yes, it is. Ooh, now look at this. Sometimes things go the way you... Well, I didn't plan this, but I hoped it would be something like this. Doesn't happen often in this journal. And none of my journals actually, but I like it. I like the fact that you see the paper, the structure of the paper. I'm gonna show you up close in a second. Because I want it to be a little bit more. Okay, here we go. Let's take this off. Oh, I like it. This way. Look at it. I love the way that you still see the structure of the paper. So this is kind of a watercolor paper. Oh boy, guys, I like it. So I'm going to start with getting a border around this. Oh, this is okay. This is what I want. Because I'm gonna... Oh, this isn't what I want. But, oh well, it's over here now. Because I'm gonna glue a lot of leaves over this. I don't think I can do this once this is glued on this page. And I really want this. Because I like this border. It's a bit too big over here. But oh well. Things happen. Okay. I'll just do this. So, stitches. It'll stay. Okay. So now I just glue this on. Is that gonna be it? Am I going to... No, I wanted to use a stencil over here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to. What do you think? Oh, of course I do. But I just want a little bit. So what do I use? What do I have? This one? This one. I think these are scales, fish scales or mermaid scales, but I'm just going to use them over here and just on this side. So I'm going to use this one. This is the one I can't pronounce. peony in Dutch. I'm not even gonna try. Oh, it's not open yet. It's a really nice video, this one, isn't it? Let's open it on here. Ooh, it really is a nice color. And now my hands are pink. Oh, this is a lovely color. This bottle is more squishable than the other one. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, I like this color. Okay. I'm just gonna use the same sponge. This is a dauber, by the way, by Tsukineko. And you can ask for it. Oh, wait, watch out, don't do that. At your local craft store, they'll probably have it or can order it. Ooh, nice. And just a little bit over here. That's it, I don't want any more. Well, just a little bit over here, but nice, nice, I like it. Okay, I really love this background. Oh, look at it. Okay, well, I think all I need to do is glue stuff on and maybe go around it. So let's glue stuff on. Glue, glue. Okay, here we go. Let's just glue it a bit in the corner. Oh, am I going to do this little one? It's just so stupid. Yes, I am. When I was fussy cutting this one, I thought, what am I going to do with this? I have no idea. Well, apparently this. I'm gonna cut this off in a while. I mean, it's such a little thing. What do you do with it? Well, you just have it peeping out from behind the leaves and people think, what is that? I don't know, what is it? And then this one is very unique over here. Could have put it a bit higher, but I didn't. Oh well. And ooh, if I do because over here, which I really like, and this is so empty. I'm in trouble. I don't know what to do. First, let me just cut these things off. It'll look better. But now what? Now what do I do? I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to use my Stabilo oil as I like to do. You know, just go around this and I'll just show you a little bit because I show you every single page. You can also do this with your finger, by the way. But, oh well. I've got this blender and you just wet it a little bit and then you go around it, and then this is watercolor Stabilo oil pencil, and it just activates the watercolor and you just get a little bit of shadow around it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not even gonna speed it up or whatever. I'm just gonna do this off camera, and while I do this I'm gonna figure out what to do with this empty bit. Am I going to put this over here? But then this is so empty. Am I going to do this over here, which I really like? Or am I not going to use it at all? Oh, let's see what I figured out. Okay, I decided to use this quote. I'm the best thing to ever happen to me. And it's just gonna be over here. She thinks she's unique, and also the best thing that's ever happened to her. It doesn't fit. It must fit. Let's make it fit. So there's a lot of words over here, but I thought if I do the because over here, this is too much, and it's like this, you don't really see it, I hope, maybe, perhaps. So, is this too much? Maybe I should use the white one for this. I think I'm gonna do that. If I can find it. Because I have these in white, but also in black. Wait, where was it? Somewhere in the middle, I think. Okay, here we go. I hope I still have it. Okay, I just now saw that this thing had been like this the whole video. Well, anyway, I found a few dots. Really? Yes, really. I found the quote in white, and I think it's gonna make it a bit better, I hope. So I've been trying to take this off. Ooh. Okay, I think I hope it'll make the page a bit better, because there's too much to look at the moment. Oh, but I do think, wait a minute, it was over here, I hope. I'm the best thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna do, maybe I'm going to do it totally different. Take this away because it's just too much. You've got unique over here, you've got the quote, it's just a bit too much. So I can do this. I'm the best thing. Right. Maybe I'm going to ever happen to me over here. I like it better, but now this is... I'm gonna do it... Oh, I'm gonna take it off again. Okay. Best thing. I'm the... Now that's what I want. So I'm gonna take away because... And I am going to go around this with a pen on the paper, and I'm going to do it a little bit shaky because that's the only way I can do it, because my hand is shaking. Don't know why, it just does. Sometimes it's really nice if you do it right. Oh well. So over here. I hope it'll work. Oh boy, here I go. I can do this. Can I? Yes, I can. Oh well, it's okay. I'm the best thing to ever happen to me. I'm uniquer than the rest. So, I've got dots, but guys, I think I'm going to put a white dot over here. And that's it. That can't be it, can it? Yes, it is. Today it is. I'm just gonna put it away. One white dot over here. So this is really a unique page because I usually have more dots. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a lot over here. Okay, so that's it for today. I made this page really quickly, but when you see it, it's not that much. I mean, I just made the background with these wonderful colors. I used the rose quartz and then a little bit of funky fuchsia, just mixed it up a little bit with my dauber. Bit of stripes, and then with the, I can't pronounce, peony blush. Is that alright? I just a little bit of stenciling over it, and that's it. Then I just glued this on, border around it, and finished. And I absolutely love it. I mean, look at the colors. And I really love that I used this because I had no idea what to use it for, because it's so huge. Oh, for this. And I just love this little thing peeping out. What is it? No one knows. So I'll show you up close. Look at it. I love that you see the structure of the paper. I already told you 6 times, but I really do love it. And just 1 dot. So as always, I would love to hear your thoughts about this page. And I would love it if you give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. But if you are, please hit the notification bell so YouTube can find my videos and recommend them to people so more people can find my videos. Anyway, I just love making these for you, so I really don't care how many people watch, but it will be nice. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I think it's one of my shorter videos, unless it's 36 minutes long. Okay, I'm gonna stop. All that's left to say is groetjes uit Holland. Greetings from Holland. Bye.